Okay, so, hi, my name is Jacob Nagel, and I am in the 9th grade at Gateway Science Academy of St. Louis. Today I will be presenting to you the bed of nails trick, but this time I'm going to do it with the balloon instead of a real human. Have you ever seen somebody lay on a bed of nails and somehow get up without being punctured? Well, today I'm going to show you how that exactly happens. But first, I'm going to show you that the smaller the surface area, the more pressure there is on the balloon, so the more likely it is to pop. So, see, if I were to put this nail, one nail, onto this balloon, it's going to pop. But if I were to put this balloon on a bed of 90 nails and push down, it will eventually pop after the amount of pressure that I will apply to it. So right now I'm going to show you. I'll get a close-up of the nails. So now I am pressing down closer so you can see the nails. Now I'm going to push down on the balloon. See how it is not popping, and it's not popping yet. Still not popping. Now the balloon is widely stretched out, and it still has not popped. Push down. There, it popped. The reason it did not pop is because when I press down on the balloon spreads out over the 90 nails, and when the balloon spreads out over the 90 nails, it has a bigger surface area, so it has a less chance of popping. That's why when you see somebody get up from a bed of nails, that's why they're not punctured and bleeding from the back. This has been a Jacob Nagel video. Thank you.